paper statements, cryptic fees, and zero visibility into your cash flow. Sound familiar? It's enough to make any entrepreneur want to tear their hair out. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage your business finances with the same ease and clarity you expect from your personal banking? That's the promise of fintech companies like Relay. Built specifically for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, Relay offers a suite of tools designed to streamline your financial operations and empower you with real-time insights. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of what Relay offers, let's address a question you might have. Who's the mastermind behind this innovative platform? The brains behind Relay's operation is Joseph West, the company's co-founder and CEO. West is a seasoned entrepreneur with a proven track record in the fintech space. Prior to Relay, he led marketing at HubDoc, a company he helped grow from zero revenue to a successful acquisition. He also co-founded Vuru, a financial analysis product, and played a key role in product engagement and monetization at Wave Accounting, now H&R Block. West's extensive experience in the financial technology industry is evident in Relay's user-friendly design and focus on empowering SMBs. But what exactly makes Relay different from traditional banks? Here's where things get interesting. Relay throws out the old rulebook. Gone are the days of monthly statements and hidden charges. Relay offers a transparent, no-fee banking experience. You get real-time access to your account balance and transaction history, allowing you to monitor cash flow with ease. But transparency is just the tip of the iceberg. Relay goes a step further by providing powerful tools for categorizing expenses, managing virtual cards, and collaborating with your accountant or bookkeeper. Imagine being able to create separate virtual cards for different business needs, like marketing or inventory purchases. This not only simplifies expense tracking but also strengthens internal controls. Plus, seamless integration with popular accounting software allows you and your financial advisor to work together more efficiently. Relay understands that your business is unique. That's why they offer a customizable platform that adapts to your specific needs. Whether you're a solopreneur or a growing team, Relay scales with you, providing the features and functionalities that matter most. But is Relay the right fit for you? That depends on your business goals and financial management style. If you're tired of the limitations of traditional banking and crave a more transparent, tech-driven approach, then Relay is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to do your own research. Compare features, pricing structures, and customer reviews before making a decision. Ultimately, the key is to find a banking solution that empowers you to take control of your finances and focus on what you do best, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.